Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by verifying two essentials. Your Ps4 firmware is current and you know two DNS addresses to test. Once done, go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection, and choose Wi-Fi or LAN depending on your connection. Make sure to select Custom so you control IP settings and DNS. Use automatic IP and DHCP hostname, then when prompted for DNS, enter the primary DNS first, and the secondary DNS next. This immediately replaces your ISP DNS lookup path. Once DNS is entered, continue with MTU and proxy options to stabilize connections. Set MTU to 1500. If you see packet loss, lower it to 1473 and test again. Make sure proxy server is set to do not use, because proxies often block PSN lookups. If your router supports UPnP, enable it to simplify NAT traversal. If DHCP keeps failing, reserve a static IP for your Ps4 in the router, and repeat the custom setup using that. Now verify results by running the internet connection test. Focus on DNS and NAT type outcomes. If the test still shows a DNS error, reboot both the Ps4 and router. Power off, wait 30 seconds, power on to clear caches. If problems persist, swap to another public DNS provider and retest, because some ISPs block certain DNS queries. As a last resort, contact your ISP to check for upstream DNS issues or your router firmware for known bugs that affect console DNS resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.